season 101 na yun, ha?
That's true.
May Palpacao, wala na. Sure din itong mga ito, eh.
Sobrang pressured sila. Hindi na nakatalon.
Getting himself involved in the attack and the scoring here para sa UST. Come back row for UST. Easy over for them. There's a good chance. And Motol!
Si number 4, Graniada. Hindi pa magkasundo sa set itong front. And of course, probably yung expectations din ng coaches and even your teammates because he was...
To the defense, ilan yung blocks niya in the previous game.
That's true. Hindi lang siya pang offense.
Look at that powerful serve by Buksani. Botol! Nothing much that UST could do about that.
Ooh.
Rocky Botol. Just with that sack. Bawi naman ng UST with G-Boy de Vega.
There. Ibabaw. Hindi rin naharapan ng libero.
UST currently is on top by 3. He is enjoying some of the earlier moments here in set number 1. And it shows sa score dahil apat nga nilang ginawa pa 5. Estrada with a good serve. Laksiambao. Oh, quick!
Kakasabi ko lang. Yun lang.
Combination right there. Riris, kala ko video okay time na eh.
Right? Sasabayan ko sana siya eh. Totoo naman hindi tayo lalamigan dito. Ang roar ng...
Simple lang ang service as long as you could get it in. Aguilar with that set.
That's true. Kahit ako si Umandal, nakita ko isa lang ang blocker. So of course, cross-court ang ngayon.
It's sure rin Umandal eh. He knows a thing or two, but how's supposed to be that attack? All about that block! Kind of a pace in the way he's actually flowing with his game. Oh, and an ace for UST right there. Service as long as it goes in here. CSB always react. Look at this play, Mitch.
Yan yung binigay nila na magandang pasa eh.
Good serve by Chris. Avila with that set once again.
Ang gising-gising na gising. Ang palo ni G-Boy.
Here for CSB and then that back set. Now we got a rally.
Babak.
Good recovery, good take. Rocky Botol. 1-2 play. Hindi nagulat ang UST. Was Espaldado with that tag and CSB. Not Ducks. Oh, nice set. Looks very promising for some excitement. Dexter Graniada. There was John Macam right there. Sure. And of course, beginning to realize that his presence always makes a little too unsure on how they were able to execute that. Anyway, ball goes over and then, you know, it's the best way. Chilsier actually, you know, nung tinaas yung net after the women's games earlier, they had almost totally trying to break this deadlock. UST will always be red, but it doesn't show.
I know, tumatak din sa utak ko yun eh. So many rookies. Sino dyan? I think na-spotan ko na kung sino yung isa.
So it's the hairstyle.
Yeah.
You will be able to distinguish the CSB. John Macam.
Perfect spot for that cross-court spike.
And that's a thing of beauty. Year's V-League Collegiate Challenge. At ang kanilang kalaban, 2-0. They're not at all intimidated here. Macam. Oh, 1-2. Kami naman, sabi ng UST.
By Yambao, and it was effective.
tomorrow. But right now, let's just focus on this one. The first ating men's division. At ang CS. This is what they want to do. Kanina, naitabla nila. Itinabla na naman nila muli.
Ano kaya
It's in their previous, Chris Hernandez, the service area. Sherwin, another good serve. Rabanes with that set, and there was that block by
Lera denied that spike. No coverage from the Blazers side.
Another good serve from him here. Wow. Nice combination play here para sa UST. G-Boy naman. Villanueva with his set back row attack. Lag pa ang CSB rito, Mitch.
That's true. Napwestuhan ni Legaspi pero dahil malakas talaga yung palo, dumapli.
Prada serves a good one again. Dayangat pa for CSB. Chance here for UST. Oh, back row attack. Wala na silang magawa.
G-Boy De Vega delivering. Mapa back row or front row man.
CSB unable. Because John, his errors also to be considered.
Hindi pa ganun katibay compared dun sa mga Golden Spikers na talagang veterans na.
Well, UST opening up the scoring.
Diskarte lang talaga.
So with that set, ball up here for CSB. Sherwin Oman so good in a close third set that's happening right now. But of course, ang UST naman, kunin natin ever reliable so far here in this game for UST.
That is true. Straight down the line.
Coming up with a good serve himself also. Raymond.
No? Hindi na siya naghintay na mapunta sa harap. Pwede naman daw din kahit sa back row.
Here, para sa CSB. Ducks with a good set. Rocky Motol. Wow, ball still up for UST. Medyo nagkagulo na yan. Rocky Motol went back row. Oh, and that one will work out for UST. Trevor hitting that service error. And syempre, ano?
Giving his all para daw magising yung mga teammates niya.
Dagdagan for CSB. That still remains to be a question here.
Gusto nila tabi lang sila ng score. Well then, 1 point for Golden Spikers.
Was Mark Lawrence makagaling? Oh, nice combination here. Jordan again. Lock at 13. Ducks with the back set. And Jordan was right there to come.
Paul Jordan.
Sino nagsabi sa basketball lang may Jordan? Meron din Jordan. Ducks with the sack and a quick attack right there. And di ba yung UST ka papunta pa lang ng second technical timeout eh. Gusto nila sila yung lamangan. Pero that is not going to happen.
Mag-deliver ka talaga. Dalawa lang yan, deliver or over-deliver.
I'm talking about deliver. Well, they made sure about that play para rito sa CSB. And they're only limited to 21 points after 2 sets, ha? One hand CSB. Lalampas ba sila sa 21?
Ayun.
Lumampas. Ayun na, sinagot yung tanong natin. Motions and everything. Papasok ba ito? Minadali ko ba ito? Oh my goodness. Betko at the helm. Right there with that attack. And this good serve. CSB Ducks with a set. Ball up. Cuenco. Oh, set point. No boy pa. UST quick on their toes right there. You know, they cannot stop that attack. Jordan, ball up. Good dig right there. So UST, the Labar, folding that play. It's a tip. Chiboy! Trying to make it simple. Paul Jordan gets blocked. And UST